So a lot of people have been asking me how I made this super clean setup on my Poco X8 Pro. So here's the video. I'm going to teach you exactly how you can make a setup just like this on any Android phone. Okay, so first of all, here is my setup. I've just got one row of apps in my app dock and then one row of apps on the home screen. And then on my second screen, I've also got a row of apps here as well. So first of all, let's choose a wallpaper. Okay, so I found this one I really like on peakpx.com. So you can go to there if you want it. So yeah, we're just going to download this. Now, this isn't the best quality wallpaper. I'm just using it, as an example for this video. But if you do want a really high quality wallpaper, I recommend buying a wallpaper pack from, a content creator. I have a wallpaper pack, so you can get that if you want. I'll link in the description, but it doesn't really fit the theme of this video. They are minimalist, but not quite like this. I recommend Andrew Clare. He has a really good wallpaper pack. So yeah, you just want to search like minimal wallpaper pack on Gumroad and you'll find a lot of high quality wallpapers like this. So now that we have our clean wallpaper, we do need widgets. So you want to get this app here, Minimal Widgets by Just New Designs. It's free. I have the pro version and the pro version costs £2.89 for life. So you pay once and you get it forever. That's very, very cheap. So if you don't mind spending £2.89, I definitely recommend it. But yeah, you do get some free ones anyway. So if we go on minimal widgets, what we can do is, so you've got themes here, so you can customize a theme for your widget. So I'm going to go with a light mode color and an accent color. So I think I'm going to go white, orange. So the backgrounds will be white and we've got orange as the accent color. So we've got loads of categories to choose from. One of the ones that I like to have on my home screen is my battery. So I'm going to get this battery widget. We simply click fixed native ratio as it's a perfect square. It will be a slight rectangle if you choose responsive. You go with fixed. So we just drag this over to the home screen and there you go. It's as simple as that. We've just got a widget on the screen, which is very cool because, on Xiaomi devices, they're known to be quite hard to customize and you can't use third-party launchers or anything like that, so it's quite nice. It just instantly adds it to your home screen just like that, which is why I recommend that you do get the pro version of this app. It is definitely worth it. So I am also going to add a calendar, so I'm going to choose this big calendar, choose the fixed one and simply drag it over like this. Now, one of my favorite things to do with this app is get a big clock on my home screen. Now you have like these ones, like the default Xiaomi ones. You've got some smaller ones up here, but my favorite is this one here. It's nice and simple, it's big, just like this one. So we'll get this, put this on the first page of the home screen, and then you can click and hold, click edit, and we can change the color to white. And if you want, you can also remove the date. I think I might do that because it looks a bit cleaner. And you can also remove the separator if you want, so it's just numbers. So you can get it very, very minimal and clean. So yeah, I think I'll go with that for now. It looks quite cool. Okay, then I'm going to go to music. Now in music, you've got quite a few different music players. You've got these dot star ones, which are quite cool. But my favorite is this one. I just like this one. It's my favorite music player that they have on here. And I like to put that, we'll put this one on the second screen right here. So in productivity, we have these screen time widgets, which I quite like. So I'm going to choose this small screen time widget here, add this to my home screen, and we're going to put this right here. Then I'm going to go to the device category, and there's lots of cool device things here, but we're going to clean and minimal. I think I'm just going to have the name of my device. Yeah, device name. You can heart these, by the way, so that they're easier to find later. So we just add this. As you can see, it just says Poco X8 Pro, and I'm going to put that right there. Okay, by the way, you do have weather, socials, you got quotes and stuff like that, and quick settings toggles. But I'm not going to be using any of those in today's video. I'm going to go to the folder apps section. And I'm going to go on apps folder. So I'm going to put this on the first page of the home screen, tap to configure, As you can see, it brings up this little menu, and you can choose what apps you want in this folder. So I'm going to go with Calculator, WhatsApp, ChatGPT, and Discord. So then you simply click away from this, and as you can see, you've got this little app folder now, which looks really clean, and it matches this widget next to it. On our second page, we've of course got our music, and if we click on this music, it opens up YouTube Music for us, which is what I've set as the default music player on this device. So if I just choose a song, let's just go on this Fontaine's album. As you can see, it goes up in our Hyper Island up there, which I think is very cool. And yeah, the widget actually comes on here, and you can pause and you can skip and stuff. So yeah, the widget is fully functional. To get it to work like instantly and instantly update like this, so it's seamless, you are gonna have, there's some permissions it needs, like you gotta make sure it's completely unrestricted in your battery seconds, so the OS doesn't try and kill the service in the background, because then, you know, this won't work properly and stuff like your screen time won't update. So yeah, when you download the app, it will tell you this, and it will, you know, show you how to set that up and everything. But yeah, that is pretty much it. It's quite simple. I just used this app to get some nice widgets, nice clean grayscale wallpaper, and only the apps you need on your home screen and nothing else. So yeah, that's it. That's how I make my really clean looking Android setup on my phone. So hopefully this helped you. If you've got any questions, of course, let me know in the comment section, and I'll answer any questions anyone has. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.